Namaste all of you. My name is Dr. Ritu Singh Rajput, Faculty of Agriculture and Veterinary Science. Today we will discuss about the cardiomyopathy. Cardiomyopathy is the disease of the heart muscle in which the heart loses its ability to pump blood effectively. The heart muscle become enlarged and the abnormally thick or the rigid. In rare cases, the muscle tissue is the heart is replaced with the scar tissue. As cardiomyopathy progression, the heart becomes weaker and the less able to pump blood through the body and the heart failure. There are main three types of cardiomyopathy are dilated cardiomyopathy, hypertrophic cardiomyopathy and restricted cardiomyopathy. Dilated cardiomyopathy, most common from the cardiomyopathy, generally occurs in the adult age to 20 to 60 year, more common in the men. The heart muscle being to the dilated or the stretch and the become thinner ventricular chamber size. Over time and the heart become weaker. That is causes the heart failure. Symptom of the heart failure, fatigue, edema, and it can be also lead to heart valve problems. Types and causes: isocamic cardiomyopathy caused by the CAD and MI, idiopathic cardiomyopathy, this is causes the unknown, and the hypertensive seen in the people who have high BP, infectious cardiomyopathy, HIV viral, alcoholic cardiomyopathy usually begins about 10 years after the sustained heavy alcohol consumption. Toxic cardiomyopathy due to the cocaine and some kind of drug, and the prepartum cardiomyopathy. These types of appear in the women during the last trimester, last in the radiotherapy. It is from the cobalt and the diatic from the therapy thyroid disease. Hypertrophic cardiomyopathy is occur when the heart muscle thickening abnormally left ventricles. Obstructed type the septum thickness and the buckles into the left ventricle block the flow of the blood into the aorta. The ventricle must work much harder to the plump blood past the blockage and the out of the body. Symptom can be included chest pain, dizziness, and the shortness of the breathing. Non-obstructive types, the entire ventricles and maybe become a thicker or happen only at the bottom of the heart. And pathophysiology: left ventricle hypertrophy, ventricle chamber size, hold less blood, and the CO. Pressure is the ventricle and the lungs. Change in the cardio muscles interfere with the heart electrical signals leading to the arthritis, sudden cardiac arrest. This is the hypertrophic cardiomyopathy causes by the inheritance because of the gene mutation and develop over times because of the high blood pressure or the aging. Often the causes is the unknown. Restrictive cardiomyopathy is a tend to the most affected older adults. The ventricles become stiff and the rigid due to the replacement of the normal heart muscles with the abnormal tissue, such as the scar tissue. As a result, the ventricles cannot relax normally or the expand to the fill with the blood. Eventually, blood flow in the heart is the reduced and the complications such as the heart failure or the arthritis. Causes is the radiation treatment, infection, scarring after surgery, and the condition is the much iron deposition into the tissue. Amyloidosis is the disease, the most abnormal protein is deposition into the heart. Major risk factors are the coronary artery disease, heart attack, myocardial disease that can be damage to the heart, for example, hemocardiosis, long-term alcoholism, long-term high blood pressure, diabetes, and the other metabolic disease. Signs and symptoms are the tiredness, weakness, shortening of the breath, swelling of the abdomen, legs, ankle, feet, and the dizziness, like fatigue, and the abnormal heart rhythms. So, and the medications are for the this cardiomyopathy that digoxin, anticoagulants, and the anti-arrhythmia antibodies. So this is the medication, and surgery also is the options. So this is all about the cardiopathy.